Hello everyone, welcome to What's Viral. Today we've got some really interesting clips, so make sure to keep watching till the end.
Here you can see a water jet cutter slicing through a padlock. A water jet cutter is a tool capable of slicing into metal or other objects using a jet of water at a high velocity and pressure. This mechanical tool can draw a bunch of perfect ellipses.
Wake up! Oh, the belly!
Here is a dog being so incredibly patient with this chicken bothering him. This man unclogged the draining of a garden area after a long rain. Though it can be satisfying to watch, it should only be done by experts, or else anyone can easily get sucked into the hole. A whale suddenly jumped out of the ocean during the sightseeing tour. Take a close look at the orange baby bird. Whenever it senses a predator nearby, it instinctively mimics a poisonous caterpillar in order to survive. That's all for today. Make sure to subscribe to get notified whenever I upload my next video. Thanks for watching. See you again in another video.